we talk about neglect, we're generally talking about the failure to do something that you ought to do. When we talk about abuse, we're talking about affirmatively doing something that you know to be wrong. You know, the aide that strikes out in frustration and slaps a resident who's become difficult out of frustration or something like that. When we talk about abuse, we talk about somebody who's doing something that they know is going to cause harm. Those terms are often interchangeable. A lot of the abuse that we see in a nursing home setting is really sort of a twofold thing. We see the really ugly stuff to where there's assaults by staff members. We don't see that very often, but sometimes we do. We see resident-on-resident assaults from time to time as well. The challenge there is usually the staff is aware that another resident is aggressive or maybe abusive, and they need to be kept apart. They need to be restrained if appropriate. They need to make sure that residents that are going to hurt other residents are watched so that they don't commit resident-on-resident assault. Most of those resident-on-resident assaults don't end up in an arrest because the assaulting resident, they've usually got dementia. They can't form the intent and things of that nature in order to commit a crime, but that's abuse nonetheless.
If we have not answered your specific questions in this video or the rest of the videos and information on our website, please contact us for a free consultation. We believe that you have too much at stake not to protect your legal rights.